Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Man with the Star channel here on YouTube. Today's content is about tearing down 9-volt batteries and having a look at how they look inside. It's really interesting, I think. Not many people do this. My mom always told me when I was younger, don't play with 9-volt batteries. So I guess I'm not really following her advice today. But anyways, today we are much more capable. Anyway, today I usually do this because I salvage the connectors and because they are useful to me. I can solder them onto things and use them as connectors. So that's why I usually do this. Anyway, let's get into this assembly. This is a GP alkaline with a metal case, and the metal case, it opens up from underneath and then you can just push the whole thing through. So there you have a plastic bottom plate, and then you have the battery cells there, just stacked, just like an original voltaic cell, or what it's called. It's just stacked up there, the battery chemistry with the plates and so on. So yeah, that's about it, and the metal shell there, and have the negative protected. That's a pretty awesome possum there. Let's see, yeah, I believe that would be correct. Anyway, so that's one of them. I'm gonna tear away the connectors off video. But anyway, and here you have a later IKEA. This is a later. I peeled away the stickers are just there, and a later IKEA. And it's thin batteries that are serialized, connected in series. So yeah, and we have an older IKEA, and that is also the metal kind, and with just looks the same, you know, just looks the same. So well, sticking a bit, so not sure we need to show that again, but yeah, there you go, just stacked. A couple of cells there is just stacked, flat cells. So let's see, and then we have this Ativa long life, and I ripped into it really good, but it was harder to actually open. So, but there you also have the round cells, and yeah, so that is how that looks. So now you know how a 9-volt battery looks inside, how they get those voltages. It's not the battery chemistry itself, it's just having enough 1.5 volt batteries in series, and that's how they get it. That's how they do it. So yeah, that's it for the teardown. Not really much. I usually do it, as I said, for the connectors. So now you know how they look inside and so on. Thanks for watching.